On October 21st, 2025, Google's stock plummeted 4.8% in minutes. The reason? OpenAI just declared war on the world's most powerful browser. That same day, OpenAI launched ChatGPT Atlas, an AI-powered browser that could fundamentally change how 3 billion Chrome users access the internet. This isn't just another browser. This is the beginning of the AI browser wars.
ChatGPT Atlas isn't your typical browser. Built with ChatGPT at its core, Atlas features an Ask ChatGPT button on every web page, opening an AI sidebar that understands exactly what you're looking at. No more copying and pasting between tabs. No more switching apps. The AI assistant lives right where you work. Atlas introduces browser memories. ChatGPT remembers the websites you visit and can recall information weeks later. Imagine asking, find all the job postings I looked at last week and summarize industry trends for my interview.
But here's where it gets insane. Atlas has Agent Mode, a feature currently available to Plus, Pro, and Business users that can complete tasks for you. Planning a dinner party? Give Atlas a recipe, and it'll find a grocery store, add ingredients to your cart, and order them to your house. Need market research? It'll browse competitor sites, compile data, and generate a team brief, all while you watch. Or don't. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman put it simply, it's using the internet for you. This is beyond search. This is AI taking action on your behalf. Google Chrome has dominated browsers for over a decade with a staggering 72% global market share. That's over 3 billion users worldwide. Chrome's success stems from its speed, security, and seamless integration across devices. But there's a crack in the armor. Google's search market share recently dropped below 90% for the first time in 10 years. Users are increasingly turning to AI chatbots like ChatGPT for answers instead of traditional search engines. And now, OpenAI isn't just offering an alternative to search, they're offering an alternative to the entire browsing experience. OpenAI isn't alone in this war. Perplexity AI launched Comet browser in July. Microsoft upgraded Edge with Copilot mode. Opera released Neon, their AI-powered browser. Even the browser company introduced Dia, an AI-centric browsing experience. Everyone sees the same opportunity. AI can fundamentally reimagine what a browser does. But here's the twist. Most AI browsers, including Atlas, are built on Chromium, Google's open-source browser engine. So while they compete with Chrome, they still rely on Google's underlying technology. It's the ultimate irony. So who wins the AI browser wars? Chrome still has 3 billion users, decades of trust, and infinite resources. But OpenAI has ChatGPT's 800 million users and momentum on their side. Atlas launched on macOS Tuesday, with Windows, iOS, and Android coming soon. It's free for all users, with Agent Mode exclusive to paid tiers. The browser wars of the 90s gave us Internet Explorer versus Netscape. The 2000s brought Chrome's dominance. Now, in 2025, AI is rewriting the rules entirely. The question isn't if AI will change how we browse, it's who will control that future. What do you think? Will you switch to Atlas, or is Chrome too powerful to defeat? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more tech breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. The AI revolution isn't slowing down, and neither are we.